when it comes to websites and businesses just getting going that may have 0 reviews or may have a small organic trickle of reviews, what sort of advice do you think you would give them to pick up the speed of just the frequency of review to establish themselves amongst their more established competitors?
Yeah, that's a great question. Also, like a very important question. And we think about this a lot. And there are 2 answers to that because we can even segment that question. Like there are people who they have customers but no reviews. That's one segment. And if you're into that category, then you can send review request emails to all of your past customers, asking them for a review of their recent purchase, and then you get the ball rolling with the reviews that you will collect from your past customers. But if you're in a place where you're just getting started, you have no sales, obviously, then no reviews, then it's a bit more tricky, and it's a very common problem because in order to get social proof, you have to have social proof, and it's really tricky. And what we found out that many brands nowadays do is that they reach out to smaller influencers, ranging from the follower count from 1 to 5K followers, and they say, okay, cool, you get this sample of the product in return of a review, like a review on social media, where they just post something doing the basic and standard influencer marketing kind of thing. And also, please leave a review on our website. And so they build the review submission kind of process into their influencer marketing to get the ball rolling and to get more juice out of their social media efforts or their influencer marketing efforts. And that's how they build their first reviews. And obviously, these kind of reviews have to have the advertising and incentivized review text on the reviews itself. But this is a great way that we found out many brands use to get the ball rolling and to initiate the first reviews.